So here's my Waterpik handheld high pressure shower head. This also has the PowerPulse massage setting, which is absolutely amazing. It feels really, really good on your back after a long day. So I'm going through all the settings now. This one is my favorite here because the pressure is super high and very consolidated in one area. And it does come out in a pulsating manner. So I really recommend this for anybody looking to level up their bathroom experience. This definitely checked all the boxes for us. We've had it installed now for 4 years, and there's literally no soap scum whatsoever on the actual head itself. And I feel like ease of installation, this took us about 30 minutes to get fully installed into the wall, so we highly recommend this Waterpik brand off of Amazon.